In this video, we're looking at quadrilaterals. So a quadrilateral can be convex or non-convex. Now, before I even go any further, what is a quadrilateral? It's a four-sided shape. So, both on your screen you see two shapes. They're both quadrilaterals, except one's convex and one's non-convex. Now, this is what we call your convex quadrilateral. It's probably the most basic one you see. And all the angles are less than 180. Now, that when I say angles, I mean the internal angles. Now, over here, we have a non-convex. It's where you have one reflex angle, which remember is greater than 180 degrees. Alright, now we have a parallelogram, and as you can see, there's a lot of things going on here. This is a special type of quadrilateral. So I'm going to use some arrows and talk you through it as we go. Actually, I'll just draw it. So this here, this shape that you can see there's on each of the sides, remember that means parallel. Alright, so technically that should probably have two there. So those two sides, the sides on the left and the right are parallel, and the top and the bottom are parallel with each other. Okay? The next thing I want to look at is, remember these indications on the sides. So they mean equal length. So the two sides are equal, the top and the bottom are equal, and then the diagonal parts are also equal. Another thing to remember is you've got your angles there, all right? So the ones that are the same color means they're equal angles. So bottom left corner, top right corner, they're both orange angles, they're this equal. And then top left, yellow, bottom right, yellow, they're equal as well. Alright, moving on from parallelogram, we've got an angle sum of a quadrilateral. So all angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360. Now the reason for that is because if you cut it, let's say here, you've got two triangles. Angle sum of a triangle is 180. You have two triangles, so it has to be 360. Okay? So we can use this rule to answer a range of questions. For example, if you had 63, 27, 121, and we were trying to find B, what this would be is B plus 121 plus 63 plus 27 equals 360. So B is going to equal 360. Take away 121, take away 63, take away 27. And that equals 149. So I've just found what B is using the angle sum of a quadrilateral.